Good morning, students. In this chapter, perimeter area, we have discussed till now perimeter of the different figure, and we have also find area using the graphical method. Now today we will study about rectangle and square. We have to find the area of rectangle and square. First of all, we will see the formula for the finding area of rectangle and area of perimeter. Area of rectangle is length multiplied breadth, and perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B. Similarly, we will see the formula for the square. In square, all sides lengths are equal. So area of rectangle is given by side multiply side, that is side whole square, and perimeter of area of square, not rectangle. Perimeter of square will be equals to 4 multiply side. Now we will see some question related to this exercise. First of all, we will solve the example problem which is given in the book. So, see the first question related to this exercise is example number 30. Example number 30. In example number 30, it is given that find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 4 cm respectively. In example number 30, we have to find area of rectangle. But we have to find area of rectangle whose dimensions are given. Dimensions are, first I am writing length, that is 12 cm, breadth 4 cm. So area of rectangle will be L into B, that is 12 cm multiplied 4 cm, that will be 48 cm square, not centimeter. You have to see also unit. When centimeter multiplied by centimeter, it will become centimeter square. When meter will be there, meter multiplied meter will be meter square. In the case of area, our unit must be in the form of a square. In the case of perimeter, it will be centimeter, meter, kilometer. But in the case of area, it will be centimeter square, kilometer square, meter square. Moving on to next example, that is example number 40. Find the area of a square whose square plot whose side is 8 meter. Here, for example, in example number 40, side length of a square plot equals to 8 meter. So, area of plot will be side multiply side. 8 meter multiply 8 meter, that will be 64 meter square. What will be the area of plot? Area of plot will be 64 meter square. Now moving to example number 15. Example number 15. The area of a rectangular piece of cardboard is 36 centimeter square. Area of rectangular piece is 36 square centimeter, and its length is given 9 centimeter. What is the width of cardboard? Now, since cardboard is in the shape of rectangle, so area of cardboard will be given by length multiplied breadth, that is 36 centimeter square. Now, length is 9 centimeter and we have to find breadth 36 centimeter square. So breadth equals to 36 centimeter square upon 9 centimeter. Breadth equals to 4 centimeter. We can write directly formula for finding area in the case of rectangle. No. We can write directly formula for finding length and breadth in the case of rectangle. Since area of rectangle is L into B. So for finding directly formula for length will be when area is given. When area is given will be area upon breadth. Now when we have to find breadth, in that case formula will be area upon length. You can also write this formula, so it will be very easy in finding length and breadth when area is given in the case of rectangle. Now moving to next example, example number 16. Example number 16. Bob wants to cover the floor of a room 3 meter wide, 4 meter long. In example number 16, dimension of room are width 3 meter, length 4 meter long. By a square tile, each square tile is side of 0.5 meter. Now, length of a square tiles is 0.5 meter. Find the number of tiles required to cover the floor of the room. In example number 16, it is given that a room is whose width is 3 meter and length is 4 meter long. Now we are covering the floor of room by the square tiles, and a square tile length is 0.5 meter. So we have to find total number of square tiles. Now see, first of all we will find the area of room, then we will find the area of square tile, and we will divide it area of room upon area of square tiles to find the number of total square tile required. So now area of room will be, since room is in the shape of rectangle, so L into B, that is 3 meter into 4 meter, that is 12 meter square. Now, area of tile. Since tile is in the shape of a square, so side multiply side, that is 0.5 meter, multi 0.5 meter, that will be 0.25 meter square. What will be the area? 0.25 meter square. Now, number of tiles is given by area of room upon area of tiles. Area of room is 12 meter square and area of tile is 0.25 meter square. Where we will get at 48 tiles. Number of tiles required is 48 tiles. Now, we have solved example number 16. Now, example number 17. In example number 17, find the area in square meter. We have to find area in square meter of a piece of cloth. Whose dimension are 1 meter 25 centimeter width and 2 meter long. See, in example number 17, width is 1 meter 25 centimeter. Length is 2 meter. We have to find area in meter square. So, for finding area in meter square, the unit of length and breadth should be in meter. Here unit of length is 2 meter in meter, but unit of width is 1 meter 25 centimeter. So we will change it into meter. It will be 1.25 meter.
Hello.
When we will change 1 meter 25 centimeter into meter, it will be 1.25 meter. Now, area of cloth will be L multiply breadth, that is 1.25 meter into 2 meter, that is 2.50 meter square. So area of cloth piece will be 2.50 meter square. Now moving to exercise, we will solve some examples and some questions. Now moving to last exercise of this chapter. First question is, find the area of a rectangle whose sides are given. You can do it very easily. Question number 2 also, find the area of a square whose side is this. So you can find also easily. Now I am coming to question number 4. In question number 4, the area of a rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Find the width of. In question number 4, length of garden is given. Length of garden is 50 meter and its area equals to 300 meter square. Find the width. We have to find width of the garden. Width of the garden is given by area of garden upon length. Now, area of garden is 300 meter square upon 50 meter, 6 meter. The width of the garden will be 6 meter. Moving to next question. Question number 5th. What is the cost of tiling a square plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of 8 per 100 square meter? In question number 5, length equals to 500 meter. What? Length equals to 500 meter and width is 200 meter and the rate of tiling is 800 per square meter. We have to find the total cost of tiling. See here. Area of land will be L into B. 5000 multiply 200 meter square. When we will multiply, we will get 1 lakh meter square. What we will get? 1 lakh meter square. Now, cost of tiling equals to area multiply rate. Area is 1 lakh meter square multiply rupees 800 per meter square. 857. 8 crore will be cost of tiling. Okay, thank you. 200 meter. Okay, solve the remaining questions. Thank you.